I think I heard my chameleon sneeze twice. The first time happened when I was picking him up, but he climbed onto my finger without hesitation. The second sneeze followed about 30 seconds later while he walked on me. After that, I didn't hear any more sneezing. He seems fine overall, though I noticed some leftovers from his last shedding around his nose. He didn't eat yesterday or today, but this isn't unusual for him. Sometimes he skips a day or two and eats normally. He has a water cup, but I've never seen him drink from it. Instead, he mostly drinks from leaves. Should I be concerned?
Hearing your chameleon make a light sneeze sound could be a natural way for him to clear his nasal passages, especially if there is a leftover shed around his nose. Chameleons sometimes expel air through their nostrils to remove debris, dust, or old skin. Occasional sneezing is usually not a cause for concern, especially if he is otherwise active, alert, and displaying normal behavior. However, frequent sneezing, excessive mucus, wheezing, or open-mouth breathing could indicate a respiratory infection, which would require a visit to a reptile vet. See the Chameleon Care Guide for a detailed explanation of all you need to know about this. The link is in the description below. As for his appetite, it sounds like his eating pattern is consistent with his usual behavior, so skipping a day or two isn't necessarily a red flag. Hydration is crucial for chameleons, and it's normal for them to prefer drinking water droplets from leaves rather than a water cup. You can gently mist his enclosure more often to ensure he stays hydrated. If you notice labored breathing, persistent sneezing, or any other concerning symptoms, monitoring him closely or consulting a vet would be a good precaution. If you're aiming to raise a happy and healthy pet chameleon, I strongly suggest checking out the Chameleon Care Guide. This invaluable resource provides all the information you need, from identifying health problems to setting up the ideal habitat. Discover what foods to avoid feeding your chameleon, the leading cause of death in captivity, and tips for ensuring your chameleon thrives. Don't jeopardize your pet's well-being. Arm yourself with the expert insights you need today.